this is the spacious living and the dining space. So you can have a look at the kitchen area with the beautiful interior, and this is the most spacious and cozy room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of Maina Vistara by Maina Properties located in Gunjur, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, and this is the marketing office of our project, and the land parcel is just beside over the site. Now the main entrance which will be coming over here. So this is the main entrance of our project, and the land parcel starts from here itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project, and the project is spread across 14 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 31 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, jogging track, clubhouse and many more. Now let's discuss the location part, and our project is located off Gunjur Belagiri Road in Gunjur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and this will be the main entrance of our project. And now this road will lead you towards Gunjur Belagiri Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Panatur main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Sarjapur main road is 400 meters away, Panatur main road is 2.2 kilometers away, and Manipal hospital is 4.7 kilometers away from the project. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat of 1675 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of our house. So once you step inside, let me show you the entrance. So basically they will be providing you with a Godrej brand digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you step inside, this is the spacious living and the dining space. So this is the part of your living area where you can set your sofa set like this over here. And even the TV unit space which is right exactly in front of the sofa set. Now the other part is the dining area. So this is a spacious and beautiful dining area where you can set up your 6-seater of dining table easily over this side. So you can have a look how beautifully the dining area is given to you. Now with this dining area, they have been provided the beautiful balcony as well. And this is a spacious balcony. So this is the balcony, comes with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this is not just a balcony but a running balcony that connects you to one of the bedroom. Now let's move further towards your kitchen space, and once you step inside over there, your kitchen space is right over this side. So let's quickly move inside your kitchen area. And this is the spacious kitchen area. You can have a look at the kitchen area with the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the cabinets, the platform and with all the white goods. Basically this kitchen area also has enclosed dry balcony. So the sink area comes under the utility area, and here's the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The provision for your machine is provided right in the utility space. Now let's move further towards your bedroom area, and basically 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house. Now your bedroom number 1 is right over this side. So once you step inside the bedroom number 1, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom. And this is a spacious cozy bedroom with a bed area right in the center of the room. They have a window right over this side with ventilation and lighting purpose. And there's ample of space to move around in the room. And about the wardrobe, so your wardrobe is just behind me over here. Now, once you step outside this bedroom, and with the easy access, they have a common washroom right over here. So this side is a common washroom. So this is the common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. And the sink area is outside the washroom itself. Now the bedroom number 2 is just beside over this side. So let's quickly move inside your bedroom number 2. And this is the spacious room. You can have a look at the flooring over here, and this is the bedroom area, the bed space, and right in center of the room, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. Here's the wardrobe space, and just beside the wardrobe you can add up your work table, your dressing table, or whatever you like. And even this bedroom comes up with a private washroom, which is right over this side. So here's a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey, and your master bedroom is right over there. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's quickly move inside your master bedroom. And this side is your master bedroom, and once you move inside, you can have a look. The uniqueness is the flooring. Comes up with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring over here, and this is the most spacious and cozy room of the house. And you can have a look. The king size bed is placed over here. And this side is the balcony. So basically this is the same balcony that we have which connects you to the balcony of your living area, the running balcony. Isn't it spacious and beautiful? Now once you step inside this side, you can add up your wardrobe, your TV unit space, and the dressing area right over here. And the washroom, yes, they have a private washroom here as well, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Gunjur location. Have you checked another project in Gunjur? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.